Okay guys, so we're going to do our quick recap on today's trades. Today we traded one stock and one stock only, took only one trade. So today was kind of like a rehab day after yesterday's pretty huge loss. Today I was just kind of wanting to get back on track, trying to get back synced into the market, just take it slow, one trade, nice and easy. You know, kind of just want to be able to get back on track basically. So on this one, we traded IEA. Here we can see that it made a move pre-market from 375 up to 610, and then here it pulled back. It broke the VWAP, this orange dotted line. It broke it to the downside. I traded it after a halt going up. Out of nowhere, we had volume coming in on this one, and it presented an opportunity. It was a little bit lighter on volume during this period here, so I wasn't really watching it until it did halt. That's whenever it come for my attention. So here we can see that it went from a low of 433 to a high of 493. It halted going up for 5 minutes. It resumed at 517, and then so that was about 25 cents from the low, or 20 cents for actually from the halt level. It dipped, and as I saw volume coming in, I knew that 517, 520 was a level to watch because it was the high. So here we can see this is the way it traded. It came up to that level, it pulled back down to this low, and then on the move back up, I could have added here down at 485, which would have been a very safe entry, but that was a little bit too much weakness. VWAP is 487. That is support down at that level. But the way I traded this stock was a pullback as it was coming back up to its levels where it resumed from the halt. I jumped in there, so I got filled around 522 and sold up here around 544. So nice 20-cent profit on that trade. Sold half my position up here, and I held the remaining amount for the bigger move. It did not continue higher, so I ended up selling around 532 here on this orange arrow. And then after that, it just came back to that level where it resumed from the halt, and it continued to go lower. It halted. It actually halted going down. I mean, it broke this VWAP. It did not hold it, and it halted going down. So from a high of 544 to a low of 451, almost a whole dollar per share drop after just a matter of minutes. And here you can see that it resumed from the halt and it continued to go lower. And so that was it for today. Nice and easy day. Just kind of wasn't aggressive on my trades. I just decided to take it slow. I'm kind of gonna go through this little rehab period, for me to get back, basically get back on track and dissect my trades and see what I'm doing right, what I'm doing wrong. Another thing I'm gonna change up is I'm not gonna go over how much profit or loss I had on the day, as I am noticing that is affecting my trading. I'm now kind of trading that number instead of trading the charts. So right now the only thing that I had in mind was, okay, so I made a certain amount on Monday, and then I lost a certain amount yesterday, Tuesday. So now I'm thinking, okay, so I need to make up this much to be back to just break even on the day. So there I'm trading the dollar amount, and that's not good. That's not good whenever you're day trading, because you could be trading emotionally instead of looking at the chart, trading the chart, trading the level 2, and that will definitely affect your decision making. So for now, I'm going to take that off the equation. I won't be seeing how much I'll be making or losing at the end of the day. I might look at it at the end of the month, and I might make a recap video of my overall monthly trade, and see where I end up at the end of the month, and I'll be able to focus more on my trading by doing that. And then maybe by the beginning of next year, I'll be at a position where I'm able to to show where I'm at on the day, and maybe, I'll be able to just build off of that. All right, guys. So another little tip that's helped me out is trading is a mental thing. It's a battle between in your mind. You have to kind of go in here with patience, with discipline, and just be in control. You can't jump in here and trade aggressively, emotionally. If you're not in a good mental state, it's better if you just don't trade at all. But today was a pretty slow day. We didn't have much moving. We had a few stocks that halted going up, but nothing really held up. This one was the only one that halted and made a move higher. Everything else kind of just failed. We did not have any gap and go entries out of the gates. We did not have any pre-market opportunities. So today was kind of like a slow day. I would call it a rest day between hot periods. So tomorrow we'll see what the market presents. See if we have anything, any new trends or any new patterns that are going to be hot. So we'll just keep an eye out and see what's going to be popping. All right, guys, thanks for watching.